Get ready to be blown away by this extraordinary home in Fort Collins, a true gem built in the iconic modern movement style back in 1966. Picture this, a stunning exterior, captured on camera on September 23, 2025, in Fort Collins, Colorado. The current owner, Glenn Slanaker, purchased this beauty in 2009 and embarked on a massive interior and exterior transformation. But here's where it gets interesting. The home's exterior, photographed by Logan Newell for The Coloradoan, showcases a unique blend of architectural styles. And this is the part most people miss. The interior is an even bigger surprise. Step inside with me. The downstairs sunroom, captured on the same day, exudes a cozy ambiance. But wait until you see the second floor living area. It's a retro paradise inspired by the iconic Palm Springs style. Slanaker's custom design and furnishings truly bring this space to life. And don't forget to appreciate the subtle yet captivating sculptures adorning the home. These artistic touches add a layer of sophistication to the overall aesthetic. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. In your opinion, does the exterior of a home truly reflect its interior charm? Or is it the other way around? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, this home is not just a residence, it's a work of art, a testament to the power of renovation and a celebration of unique architectural styles.